Let's look at our first example. We have the absolute value of x plus 6 is equal to 2. Now, remember that our first step whenever we are solving is to isolate the absolute value. So I recommend that you highlight it. This one is already highlighted, and I can see that I don't have any extra numbers. I don't have anything multiplied on the front. I don't have anything added or subtracted behind. So we have actually already isolated. And then we have a positive 2. We don't have a negative number on the right, so we know that we are going to have solutions. And for today, again, I mentioned that we would just be talking about the possibility of no solution or 2 solutions. The one solution will happen tomorrow. So the second step is to separate into our ax plus b equals c and ax plus b equals negative c. So this has already been done in this problem for you. Notice that we have eliminated the absolute value here, and the way that we are able to eliminate it is by breaking it into 2 pieces. So now that we've broken the equation into 2 pieces, we are ready to solve these 2 little baby algebra equations separately. So in order to solve the one on the left, I need to subtract 6 from both sides, which gives me x is equal to negative 4. And then if I subtract 6 from both sides on the equation on the right, I am going to get that x is equal to negative 8. So those are our 2 solutions. X is equal to negative 4 and x is equal to negative 8. So typically this will be written in set notation. Sometimes you'll see the answers written individually like they are here, but a lot of times they'll be written as a set. So we will say x is equal to negative 8 and it's also equal to negative 4. So remember, this is set notation where you explicitly state the numbers that belong to the set. In this case, the set of solutions. All right, so that is our set notation, not set builder notation. We're not trying to start with all real numbers. We have 2 individual numbers here, so this is just set notation. Let's take a look at another example. So in this example, we are again looking to see if we are isolated, and we are. We don't have anything else on the left-hand side. So the next thing to do, so we have isolated, is check our number on the right and make sure it's a positive number. But it's not. It's a negative number. And remember that you cannot ever have an absolute value return a negative number. So it cannot be negative. So this is an example where there is no solution.